Good afternoon, friends. I'm Aadmi Ka Sipahi at the INC headquarters, 24 Akbar Road, New Delhi. And behind me, you see the martyrs of the Indian National Congress and the martyrs of the nation and the martyrs for humanity. Respected Indira Ji Gandhi and respected Rajiv Ji Gandhi. The two great souls who laid down their lives for the nation, and that was how we fought terrorism in this country. So at the national headquarters of the number 10 of the India Alliance team, you can say the captain of the India Alliance team, the Indian National Congress. I've come here to meet the leaders. Randeep Singh Surjewala ji is a bit busy with the Haryana elections, but then I've put requests to meet Mukul ji and the President Kharge ji and Jairam Ramesh ji and Ramesh Chennithala ji, of course, the in charge for Mumbai and Maharashtra, and a few other leaders as well. So I have been coming here for the last 31 years, and I am 50-year-old now, so that means from a teenager I know this place and I know this organization, and I'm proud to be from Mumbai, the city where Rajiv Gandhi ji was born, and the city where the Indian National Congress was born on the 28th of December 1885 at Tejpal Hall, Mumbai. So from here, I would like to just give a message to all the Congress leadership that, this place used to be buzz with people. Come a Saturday or a Monday, this place was humming with people. But due to the various circumstances and of course the opportunist people who jump squads for their selfish endeavors always does a lot of damage to the party. But I think Padayatra is one tool that can revive this organization and get back its lost glory. So to the whole leadership here at the 24 Akbar Road Congress headquarters, what I would like to suggest is that as an India Alliance partner, the next time we organize a Padayatra, it would be not only for the Congress party, but it would be for the India Alliance with the Indian National Congress leading proceedings. So from the headquarters of the Indian National Congress, let me just read out to you what Madam Indira Ji said. She said, "Even if I die in the service of the nation, I would be proud of it. Every drop of my blood would contribute to the growth of this country and to make it strong and dynamic." That is what Indira Ji said, and she of course lived to it, and every drop of her blood and the 30-odd bullets that hit her in the chest is all proof of her dedication and passion for the nation called India and the party called the Indian National Congress. So paying homage to the two great souls, Rajiv ji and Indira ji, Jaiprakash Shetty, Aam Aadmi Ka Sipahi at the INC headquarters, 24 Akbar Road, New Delhi. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Karnataka, Jai Tulunadu.